the supporting enterprise in resolving the economic issue. To find out more about the resolution when economic issue happen, today we will attend the exchange with Ms. Hạnh and Ms. Huyền from Hanoilaw Firm. This program is implemented by Hanoilaw Firm under the sponsorship of the Vietnam Group. Thank you all for coming today. Dear Ms. Huyền, what is a conciliation?
Conciliation is a method of dispute resolution with the involvement of a third party as a mediator to assist and persuade the disputing parties to seek solutions to eliminate the dispute that have arisen. Conciliation is implemented by the form of conciliation outside the proceeding and conciliation in the proceedings. Conciliation outside legal proceedings. Conciliation is initiated by the party before the petition is brought before a court or an arbitrator. Conciliation in proceedings is an activity conducted in a court or an arbitration bodies where they resolve a dispute by a party. Unlike conciliation outside the proceedings, conciliation in the proceedings is conducted with the assistance of a court or arbitrator. When the parties conciliation with each other, the court or arbitrator will issue a decision recognizing the agreement of the parties and the decision is enforceable against the parties.
And can you share with people what is the advantage and disadvantage of conciliation?
Yes, about the advantage. Resolving a commercial arbitration through mediation has many advantages as well. The mode of negotiation by simplicity, convenience, speed, active, effective, and less expensive. Besides the general advantages, conciliation has also the following advantages. Conciliation involves a third person in the process of dispute resolution by the negotiation. Itself cannot be by understanding so. As a mediator, the mediator will know how to make the will the parties easy to meet in the negotiation process to eliminate disputes. The conciliation party have no winners and no losers. Shouldn't cause the confrontation between the parties and the ability to maintain the relationship, the inheritance between the parties. Resolving a dispute by conciliation, the parties easily control their work, provide evidence, and use evidence to keep the business secret beyond and prestige of the parties. Due to the spirit of voluntaries and goodwill of the parties, so when achieved a conciliation plans, the parties often take seriously about the disadvantage. In addition to the advantage described above, the resolving of dispute by the conciliation process still has some notable limitations. The success of dispute resolution mainly depends on goodwill and cooperation of the parties to dispute. The implementation of the result achieved in the dispute settlement process depends on the voluntary execution of the opposite party, the conciliation between the parties. In addition, during the conciliation process, the parties must exchange and provide information with the third parties about each party's business related to the affair dispute should be the credibilities as well as the business secrets of each party. Besides, The cost for the process of settling commercial dispute through conciliation is also more expensive compared to bargaining by one or more parties by service fees for the third person to mediate it.
Dear Mr. Han, can you share with people what skill of settling dispute to business conciliation?
In the process of businesses cannot avoid conflicts and disagreement that lead to disputes. Therefore, settling dispute in a business is very necessary and important. One of the most effective and common methods of resolving business disputes is negotiation. To use this method, the parties must be required to have goodwill and cooperation. In particular, in order to negotiate successfully, the party needs to know the following skills. First, separate people from the problem. Don't be an emotion or ego-dominant problem. In the negotiation, we need to put yourself in the position of others. Consider in many fields. Do not blame the other side for your troubles. During the discussion, the parties express their views and assert their views in a frank, sincere manner. Do not blame others and keep their faces. Second, focus on the interest. Do not argue the point of view. Stands one of the serious barriers that lead to the failure of negotiation was to give personal views based on subjective views and without focusing on the real issue. Therefore, it's necessary to harmonize and focus on the benefits rather than harmony and debate on the position and making the other party understand accurately that their interests are important and legitimate, and the benefits are protected by law. Third, create a solution for mutual benefit. For the successful solution, it's said that requires the parties to find the potential mutual benefit in the conflict. To negotiate the decision, you need to place the opponent in front of as little hand as possible. In addition, alternative plans should be prepared in case the plan fails. Understanding their skills will help the parties to find common futures to come together to solve business disputes, meeting a partner in a relationship, cooperate and develop together.
Using our in conciliation.
For the dispute solution by any means, the role of lawyers is extremely important. In particular, in the settlement of disputes by conciliation, the benefits of attorney involvement are the lawyer is the person who offers conciliation on dispute resolution. Therefore, the parties have the best dispute resolution in the negotiation process based on the actual situation. Lawyers provide counseling to protect the rights and interests of clients. With their skills, lawyers have to go and lead the way in the negotiation process to resolve conflict, avoid conflicts of viewpoint, which do not solve the problem. After the conciliation, the person who carries out the legal procedures, such as making a minute of conciliation, carrying out the procedure in accordance with
Hanoilaw hope that we can provide more useful information for the business to prevent and resolve it in commercial dispute. If you have any question, please contact the number 19006176 or email hanoilaw.vn@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.